same secret love. Let's just keep it simple. Let's just keep it simple.
Hey guys! What's up? Welcome back to another video on this channel. So today we thought it would be a fun video to do how we became best friends. How do you feel about it so far?
Good.
It took you so long to say. Give this video a big thumbs up.
Smash it!
Smash it! Whoa! Subscribe to become part of the Emoji Squad. Let's get on with this video. Let's go! So how do we begin? Okay, but we had to dress in dragon rattle that we should have made at home. Then we had this thing on that babies have on when they eat, and also a dummy. So it was really humiliating to go to school because you are embarrassed. Me and she were in alphabetical order together. Like it was Kiara and then it was me. So we have already been sitting with each other in alphabetical order.
We started talking.
Wasn't it in NST class? In our one class, the teacher decides to put us in alphabetical order, and obviously we were sitting next to each other. So what happened then?
We started talking about the work and how
Excited we were. Shut up, you rude.
I came from Johannesburg, so it's new for me.
And I came from Western Cape last year, so it's also been new for me because we just moved to this new place. Okay, what were your first impressions of me?
You were very nice and
Weird.
like me.
I'm just like the weird kid in school because nobody does YouTube.
Like me. Okay, I don't do YouTube, but I'm weird.
And we are literally like so excited for our years further. And basically what happened is we started talking, we became best friends.
Then there was this girl.
Let's just call her Kaylee.
Not naming names. That took me from you.
One time in Afrikaans class, me and Kiara, we were arguing about something. Something went wrong. I can't even... What was that?
I can't even remember.
And then we started fighting and I didn't speak to her and she didn't speak to me. So she moved to another girl in class and they became close, and it obviously like really hurted me because I was her first best friend in the whole wide world. And then she just left me like a piece of pizza. So then she went on with this other girl and they became close. But then that girl was actually one of my closest friends in the first day.
Me and Danielle forgave each other for what happened. We can't even remember what happened.
Yeah, but we said sorry and stuff, so that was fine. Us three became friends, really close. But I don't think it was a good idea because 3 is unequal, and if you are being with this one person, the other person feels left out, obviously.
3 of us started fighting. Well, not really fighting, while arguing
But
about how Danielle felt left out.
yeah. She and this friend became really good friends, and we were arguing about, I'm telling Kiara I'm feeling left out and that I don't want to, you know, it's not nice feeling out of a friend group because it just feels like they just leave you like that, you know.
Do not choose another friend over your best friend.
So I got left out, and later on me and Kiara was just like good friends. We weren't close, we weren't best friends, we were just
friends.
She never told me any of her secrets. They two obviously talked about secrets and stuff, and me and she was just like, hi, you know, normal friends. We weren't close. We weren't. She gets really mad easily, and if she's mad and you ask her what's wrong, she's just like, I don't want to talk about it.
So I was mad, sad, mad, whatever. And then she asked my other friend, best friend, what's wrong with me. So I told Danielle what's wrong. So Danielle came and
Hugged me
and
okay.
yeah, and said it's okay and stuff. And then we this other friend had problems. We stopped talking. Then me and Danielle became closer again.
They were 4 and I was 1. So I started looking for another friend group, another friends to be with, because it's just like, you know, I can't be sad and not do something about it, you know. So those other 3 friends, they had a really big impact on Kira. But at the end, we came back together and we started talking again and be close. And everything went well since then. And now we are here filming this video. Having the best time ever. Yeah.
And I'm so glad to have you in my life.
I'm so glad. Thank you so much for everything. But anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you guys soon.
Bye.